Sir, what's the 95 boxes na dineliver
Is it
ng
95?
PNP?
Yeah,
95 boxes.
thereabouts, no? Yeah. Yung PNP pumunta sa amin ngayon, no? And nag-submit sila ng 95 boxes na in connection with 28 alleged ghost projects that we've asked for them to look into and collate documents that we need for our case build-up. So basically, yan yung mga sinabit nila sa amin and i-review na namin.
Sir, anong mga lugar? Anong mga, at saka mga
Iba-iba. It's all around, it's nationwide kasi wala na nga kami pinipili. As long as they complete or get documents, sabi namin sa kanila, dalhin nyo na dito.
Sir, kasama ba yung top
28
15?
or 82, sir?
That's 28 or?
Ghost projects.
28. So, hinihintay pa namin yung mga ibang mga dokumentong darating. So, once dumating yan, I expect siguro ganito ulit yung
Sir,
mga
what
deliveries
kind
natin.
of documents yan?
I cannot tell you that kasi very important yan sa aming case build.
Pero may
General,
mga
sir,
contracts.
this
It has
contract,
something to do with the contracts, of course, kasi doon tayo magsisimula.
and then what are we going to do about this? Paano to?
Kasama naman yan sa aming mga isasubmit sa ombudsman if we eventually verify that these are actually ghost projects.
Sir, nakita namin may SunWest pa. So, posibleng madagdagan pa yung kaso dun sa SunWest kung may matuklasan kayo dyan?
Yes, as long as there are ghost projects, regardless kung sino man ang mga kontratista niyan, sasama namin sa aming referral.
So, ipaprocess ito, of course.
That's
I-calculate to, and then we will determine who's going to be capable.
We will review the documents right now
Yeah.
and determine kung ghost projects nga talaga yan. And then once kung talagang determined as ghost projects, we will refer the matter like what we do in the previous ones.
Sir, even mga
Yes,
senators.
Johnson, again.
Limited person, hindi ba overwhelmed? Maayos na yung documents na yun?
Hindi naman. Kailangan natin kasi yan talagang magiging basehan ng aming mga referrals. So we need to go through those documents.
Live
Sir,
stream, sir? Kailan?
Uh,
You have the TV now?
We will make the announcement soon this afternoon.
Sir,
Sir, even Senator
ICI referral, sir. Paano yun?
Kay
Is it
Martin.
different from the ICI referral? Is it different from the ones findings ng DPWH?
Referral.
Referral, Martin
Last-
Romualdez, sir.
Martin.
Hindi.
last Friday.
Di ba I already explained last Friday that we had a separate submission to the Office of the Ombudsman because nung nalaman namin na merong referral ng DPWH, we saw it proper na isubmit na rin namin kung ano man yung mga dokumento at saka mga ebidensya na meron kami related to that.
Sir, ang findings po,
Affidavit
sir,
ni
ang
Martin
findings po ba doon,
Romualdez, sir.
ibig sabihin, sir, wala kayong
Yan na,
nakitang
tumatawag.
culpability ni Speaker?
Wala naman kaming sinasabi ngayon.
Okay.
Sinasabi lang namin, sinasubmit lang namin to to help the Ombudsman in their investigation.
Alright.